Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to join the Audible affiliate program step by step and start earning commissions by promoting audiobooks. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your phone or computer. Go to audible.com/affiliate. Once the page opens, scroll down and tap the Become an Affiliate button. Next, you'll be asked to log in with your Amazon account. If you already have an Amazon account, simply sign in. If not, create a new Amazon account first. After logging in, you'll see your Amazon account details. Review the information, and if everything looks good, tap the Next button. Now, enter your website or channel URL and tap Next. Amazon will then ask you a question. Answer them with yes or no and tap the Confirm button. Next, fill out the remaining questions and check the Terms and Conditions box. After that, tap the Finish button to submit your application. In most cases, approval is instant, but sometimes it may take a short time for review. Once approved, you'll get access to your affiliate dashboard where you can generate referral links and track your earnings. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.